A wonderful, wonderful good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We're back out here. We didn't get to the sunset on time last night, so we just went down there to enjoy the last few minutes of it, and yeah, it was okay. And then as we were coming back, we started getting notifications of the northern lights being active, so we sat here around the campfire for a little while. Jessica took a beauty nap as usual, eh? Yeah. And then we went down to the shoreline again to go look at the northern lights to see if they were even active, and sure enough, they were fairly active. Not super active, but fairly active. A lot of pinkish in the sky and all of that stuff, so took a few pictures of those, and then we went to bed. About 3 o'clock-ish, I woke up again. I had to go use the bathroom, so I looked up in the sky and it was like flickering like crazy up here above us. So I'm like, I'm grabbing my camera, I'm going back down to the shore and take some more pictures. So that's exactly what I ended up doing. So I think we got some A-OK pictures. I let it run for a little while, so hopefully we get a little bit of a time lapse out of it, and then we'll share it with you guys, see what it looks like, right? You guys will let me know in the comments what it looks like, right?
We've got something to share. We're really proud of our product and are excited to make it available on our website. Check it out now.
So after all of that, we are already just about finished with our mate yerba. So now we're just sitting there at the campfire relaxing. Well, not just, but you know, we are relaxing here. Started to get a little bit cloudy now. We did have sunshine earlier, but look how fast them clouds are moving. Just crazy fast, eh? That's just insane. The wind has picked up a little bit. Not right now, it's not windy, but it is definitely getting windier. And guess what? We're cooking up for breakfast. Hey, look at that. Got the seasoning on here. Got the grill going. I think perfect temperature. What do we got on here? Holy moly, does that look good or what? I think so. Got some pork kebabs, some beef kebabs, some more pork, a little bit more pork down here. So yeah, we'll have these suckers for breakfast, and then we'll see what the rest of the day will bring us. Well, it's looking like our kebabs are ready to go, so we're putting a couple of slices of bread up here to warm them up a little bit. What do you guys think? I think they're starting to look like we should be eating them right about now, eh? I think so. That's looking real yummy. So let's get breakfast done with, and then we'll probably go take a shower and then go for a nice hike. Sun is peeking through over there. Clouds are still moving super fast. Oh yeah, we got some butter on those breads. Oh, that's going to be yummy. We came up into downtown area. They have this flower garden up here with all kinds of beautiful colored flowers up here. So I've been taking some pictures of these small little guys right here. Look at that, eh? Really beautiful flowers. Every so often there's a hummingbird that comes up to these flowers here. So I figured I would show you guys around a bit. Got a little bit of a wooden structure here. Not sure, one of that building said lecture or something. Look at these beautiful purple things, eh? I don't know what you would call them. But look at that. That looks nice, neat, with them little sticks or whatever you call it. Some white flowers up here. They even have like a water fountain up here. tons and tons of bees up here. There's the water fountain right there. Some sunflower or whatever you want to call it. All kinds of different flowers up here. Let's see if we can get a bee on here somewhere. I don't see any. Oh, there's one way up there on the top one there. But yeah, all kinds of beautiful flowers. Beautiful water fountain up here. Look at that, eh? Just nice. Somebody keeps throwing coins in there. Bunch of coins in there. Hey Jesse, are you enjoying a beautiful, nice day up here or what? Hey? Listening to the water up here? Beautiful flowers and all the beautiful smells, eh? Yeah, beautiful structure right here. I guess if you want to take a picture, that'd be nice. More flowers up here. There's a big bee right there. Oh, there's a white butterfly. Let me see if I can get a bit of a picture of that guy. Right there. There it is. That looks beautiful. I might try and see if I can get a picture of him. That would be really beautiful, eh? That would be really, really nice. Yeah, let me see if I can do that.
Sundown and salty cheeks. It's not a cute look getting kicked out of the bar when you're no longer 19. Still acting like a child, feeling like nobody gets it. I always start these fights, don't hate my guts right now, 'cause I'm still figuring it out. You're the silver lining when I can't seem to find it. When the whole world is against me, you're not. Baby, you're the bright side when there's no God in the sunshine. You're always around to pick me up. You're the silver lining. You're the silver lining. Small talk on busy streets. Right now, I don't even know if I deserve you. Sometimes I wonder what you see, 'cause I'm still acting like a child. Yeah, you always see the best in me. I always start these fights, but you still love me, right? I'm still figuring it out. You're the silver lining when I can't seem to find it. When the whole world is against me, you're not. Baby, you're the bright side when there's no God in the sunshine. You're always around to pick me up. You're the silver lining. You're the silver lining. You dry my tears, you take me home, you make me feel like I'm missing. Maybe I'll hold me close, lay to the sunset. You dry my tears, you take me home, you make me feel like I'm missing. Maybe I'll hold me close. You're the silver lining when I can't seem to find it. When the whole world is against me, you're not. Baby, you're the bright side. There's no God in the sunshine.
We came back from our little trip into town. Got lots of pictures of all the flowers and all that. We got a few pictures of a hummingbird actually. But yeah, now we're sitting back at the campsite, having a little campfire, eh? Right, Jesse? You had a little beauty nap, eh? Yeah, you're still lazy. You're just saying hi. And it is starting to get a little cloudy up there. A few anyways, nothing too crazy as of yet. But they are saying that we're supposed to be getting some rain. Yeah, who's excited over here, eh? Yeah, who's excited over here? So, we fired up this bad boy over here. As you guys know, it's, getting closer to supper time. Bad boy, bad girl, whatever. Oh, bad girl, yeah. Bad grill, yeah, whatever you want to call it. Ooh, we got some sweet potatoes on there. And we already got a couple of steaks on there. These ones are a little thicker. So I said, you know what, let's throw them on. And then we have two more over here. Let's take a look at these guys. Really, really nice ribeye steaks over here. Got them all nicely seasoned up. So we're gonna have another awesome supper. Yeah, just relaxing. That's our yurt, as we said yesterday. I think we should put our Christmas lights on, or lights on anyways. Yeah, let's do that. Well, I think it's time to check up on our progress here and see what it looks like. I think it's looking pretty darn good. What do you guys think? I think these guys are ready to be served. I would think so. We got some sweet potatoes right there, a little bit of butter, because we always like to put a little bit of butter on the steak. That's exactly what we did. Look at that nice brown crisp. Oh, my mouth is watering. Yummy. Ay, ay, ay. I'm gonna eat some good supper. They're calling for some rain. I see some dark clouds up through the bush there. There's light up there, but yeah, they're saying some possible heavy rain. So I guess we'll quickly finish these bad boys up before that happens, right? Yeah, we better do that. Time to leave the campground, guys. We are done camping. We started getting light drizzle and slash rain overnight. And that's not the reason why we left. Today was our last day anyways. So, our checkout time was 11 a.m. Sitting at 10:47 right now. So, we didn't leave till, probably 20 to 11. It's a little bit of a drive to get out of here. So here we go. Time to go back to reality.
Had a good time here.
Oh yeah, we had an awesome time. Had not really super hot, not really super cold. Didn't have any rain till last night, till after supper, so that's all good, fine and dandy. So we're done with all of that. I think this is our last camping trip, I think, as far as we know.
Depends on the weather.
Yeah, depending on the weather, if things change, obviously you guys will know. But I think it will be the last time we go camping.
For this year, yeah.
Yep. But it was fun while it lasted. Summer was short, but nonetheless, we enjoyed it. I hope you guys have enjoyed our vlogs of our camping trips and explorations and whatever we did this year. But now we gotta go back to work, and then next month we go visit our son in BC, and we'll see what else we plan for the rest of the year.
Didn't see any bears this time around here.
Yeah, we didn't see anything this time around, but we got real lucky with the ducks. We got to see them fairly close up. They weren't too super shy up there in the marshland area, but
Oh yeah.
anyways, hammer down.